Alright. Hello and welcome to my Hit Scan Improvement Center. Today I'm going to show you how to use the thing. Currently, my tracer sensitivity is 5. Let me show you something to ease the process. If you go here into the options, open workshop editor, go to the top one, toggle the tone and click the on, open it up, and where it says your sense, change this to your actual sensitivity. Right. So we're just going to put that back instant. We know the percentage of the 5 this time. So now every time that I aim here, you're going to see it get closer dramatically. So about here, 3.5. See how the top of this changed? As the rainbow did the math for me. So if you notice that this just suddenly, you notice something feels good. You're able to press interact. And that unlocks your movement and your abilities. You go show lobby, add AI, it doesn't matter who because you're invincible. Practice. Fashion's probably a terrible target to practice on, but still. You get the gist. You're able to add bots, and then mess with them and stuff. And be like, ah yes, this is definitely the sensitivity for me. Well, if that's the case, the actual sensitivity at the top right is what you have to set whichever character you want sensitivity to be. So it was at 5. I said to change this to 3.5. And now if I reset, you can go show lobby and move all bots. This has my current sensitivity now. It says actual sensitivity 5 at the top right, because I didn't change what it was here, because now this is technically 3.5. This is really good for either hard tuning, like getting a general idea of your sensitivity, and or fine tuning. So you can have this percentage set to 1, and it's set to gradual, and it'll get a good average of your shots. So 3 shots. Every time you miss 3 shots over or under, it'll go down 1%. That's how fine tuning you can get. So, and again, it does the math for you on the top right if you enter your thing. So I hope this helped. This is also a manual, and so if you wanted to increase it to like 8, then every 8 shots, it'll change. Secondary fire reduces the number, primary fire increases the number. By default, I have 2 presets. Gradual is 3. Instant is 1. Yeah. I hope I helped. Ta-ta for now.